Hello friends, and welcome to another unboxing video. Got set up on the tee shots right there. Perfect. Get another ball that holds probably close to 30 at least or more in the little basket there. There you go. Hit it right into the backstop. Even on a windy day, that's holding up pretty good. And you can use it for a tee, or I can pitch to them. So I'm going to throw it from the side here. Okay. And you hit it in the net. Ready? Yeah. Mm-hmm. There we go. It's got a nice little strike zone area. There we go. There we go. So you can practice on your pitching, your hitting, and it's a nice little backstop there. There we go. There's a strike. So you're gonna look and hone up on your baseball skills. Nicely done. Thanks for watching this video, my friends. Super easy to set up and take down. We'll see y'all next time.